How long should your appeal letter be? Hey folks, my name is Brandon Osterbind and I'm an injury and disability attorney here in Central Virginia, and I help people whose long-term disability claims have been denied. I see a lot of people who come in to my office or who I meet with virtually, and they've already done an appeal letter or they're thinking about doing an appeal letter. I had one lady who even said, "Can you review my draft appeal letter and let me know what you think?" And I said, "Of course, I'd be happy to. Sure, send it to me." And what I usually see and what I usually get are appeal letters that are 1 to 2 pages long. And I've even seen some as short as a simple paragraph or an email that says, "I would like to formally appeal my long-term disability denial." And the problem with that is, at this stage in the game, you have to send all of the information that would convince the insurance company to change their minds. And if you don't send all of that information with your appeal, then the insurance company is going to make the same decision. They stand by their decision that they made the first time. They're not going to say that they are wrong unless you give them some reason to say that they're wrong. And if you just send in a 1 to 2 page appeal letter or even a 1 paragraph appeal, and I've even seen some insurance companies, some claim specialists who will go out there and say, "Oh, just send me an email back saying I appeal, and then we'll review it and we'll fix this for you." And that's just all bogus. You have to do this long form. I just finished an appeal, filed it yesterday. It was 33 pages long, single-spaced. These appeals are very complicated, and my goal when I file these appeals is to make sure that the insurance company absolutely knows that I will go to the mat on this case, because I am 100% convinced that my client is entitled to long-term disability benefits under this policy. And the best way to do that is to show every single instance where the insurance company messed up, and to provide additional materials and additional information and documentation that proves that my client is disabled and unable to work according to the terms of the policy. So when you ask the question, how long does my appeal letter have to be, or how long should it be, it's not as simple an answer as to say, oh, 1 page, 2 page, 10 pages, 20 pages, 25, 30, 35. There's no real magic number, but it has to be long enough to make the point that they were wrong, you were right, you're entitled to your long-term disability benefits, and if they don't give it to you, a federal judge is going to reverse their decision and award attorney's fees. That is the goal in filing a long-term disability appeal. And if you don't do that, then the insurance company is going to look at it, they're going to check the box, and they're going to say, no go, so sorry, too sad, too bad, and they're going to send you on your way. They're going to deny you again. Then your only option is to file a lawsuit in federal district court, which you will most likely lose, because the federal district court judge is going to review everything that you submitted to the insurance company. So if you don't submit the right things to the insurance company, if you don't argue your position in your appeal letter, then the federal district court judge is never going to see that information, and the first time you argue it can't be in court. You have to argue it to the insurance company, give them the opportunity to do the right thing, and then you can make that argument in federal district court. So I hope this video has been helpful. If you have questions about writing an appeal letter, or whether you should be the one to write the appeal letter at all, or whether you need to hire an attorney to write the appeal letter, I'm happy to answer those questions based on your particular situation. Just give us a call or send us an email, and we'll be in touch. Hope you're having a good day.